Hello everyone, I'm Saurabh Sharma, Assistant Professor at ST College of Commerce, and today I'm going to teach you one of the important topic of research methodology. That is process of research. That how can you conduct the research? Because before doing anything, you must know that how to do the research. Before that, you learn what is the research and type of research. Okay, but in this video I am going to tell you each and every step of research, that how to conduct the research in depth, because basically it is a blueprint, complete blueprint, that what you are going to do in future. Okay, so basically firstly you have to form the blueprint, and then after you can go further. Okay, let's start. Let me share my screen. Wait for 2 seconds. I hope my screen is visible to you all. Okay, this is the basic first 7 step of research process, that is research question, literature review, and third one is design, research design, and fourth one is data collection, fifth one is analysis, and sixth one is analysis and interpret, infer and make conclusion, and discrimination. So basically there are three major parts. We call them planning, execution, and analysis. Firstly, we will plan that what we are going to do in this research. What is the research question? Why you are doing the question? The basic things you have to remember in the research question is doable, which can be done easily, which can be done. Okay, or and the research question is unique. It means the research is not conducted by the someone else in the previous years. Okay, it means you have to find the unique question, or if you are going with the same question, then you have to uh, take the different hypothesis from the anyone else, or you have to make the different conclusion or the different answer of the same question. Okay, it means your research must be unique. It may be nullified the previous research, or it may make some change in the previous research, and it can make something new also. That is called research questions. Okay, and then after we will go, the second step is literature review. What is the literature review? I told you in the earlier video also that the another task of the researcher before starting the research to review the literature. It means the field in which you are going to research. You have to read the research papers and the how much work has been done on that area, and then you have to select and specify that okay, I'm going to do the research on this topic. Okay, then I will select the data, select the papers, the research papers and journals. You have to read all the papers on your research questions. Okay, so that you must know that how much work has been done till now on this question. Okay, and the third step is design. It means you have to design which kind of which kind of method you are choosing, which kind of research you are making. Like there are various researches, like experiment research design. Okay, like and any other is there are many researches like experimental action. Okay, and applied research. Okay, and there are so many. Then you have to select which research method is suitable for you. Okay, And the second thing is execution of the plan. What is the execution of the plans? In first step, we just planning that what we are going to do in future. But in the second step, what we will do is to collect the data from the ground zero. How you collect the data? As I told in my previous video, that you can collect the data from the ground zero, from the primary sources, from the persons, from the any other person on whom you are going to conduct the research. There are two kinds, there are two things on which you can collect the data, two ways with which you can collect the data. First is primary and second is secondary data. In primary process, in primary data, you are going to collect the data with the person on whom you are conducting the research. And in the second data, in the second method, that is secondary data, you collect the data from the government agencies. Like I'm going to show you that how can you can collect the data. If you are going to uh, research on the RBI rates, then you have to visit the RBI site. You must select the data from trusted websites on which anyone can rely. Like this is the website of RBI, and notification, press release, speechless publication. These are the publication. If you want to select any data, you can go through this like this. I select this publication annual report, and annual report, I click on the annual report. This is the annual report of the 25th, and this is the PDF. That's how you can collect the data, collect the secondary data which is collected by someone else. Okay, and memorial lectures are also there, and annual, half yearly, quarter, monthly, weekly, occasional reports, working papers. What is working paper? These are the secondary data. You can collect the data from here. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Let's start. Okay. Then the next step of research is to collect the data, and next is analyze the data. And there are various scale which we are going to study in the future videos, in the upcoming videos, that how you can analyze the data, how you can measure the data, like mm, few methods of analyzing the data. The measuring scale is ratio scale and all that. Okay. No, nominal, ordinal, and nominal, ordinal, and ratio also. Okay. Cardinal approach is always there and also there. Okay. Then you can conclude your research with the data, that what you are going to say. And after that, dissemination. It means publication in the journal and presentation. The time to do all the phases may be different. After data collection, experiment is did and must be revised during post-mortem. Okay. Analysis is also part of the planning, as it is not necessary to have the data to the analysis. First is methodology, second is statistical analysis are like wings and must be strong. These are in detailed methods of research question. We are going to study this in the further videos. Thank you guys. Research method process is one of the important topic of research methodology. I hope this question must come in examination. So please learn it carefully and write it on your notebook. And if you have any query, you can ask me on my WhatsApp or on my email also. Thank you guys.